Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. Today's going to be a super quick little video. I just have my Lip Monthly to open and share with you guys. And Lip Monthly is a beauty subscription service that you get every month. You can cancel at any time if you do it by the month, and it is $12.95. And you get four full-size products. But you could also do the 3-month subscription or the year subscription. I will insert some clips right here. And in the screenshots that I took, it has a little coupon code that if you did a 3-month or the year, I think you get a free bag or some other kind of offer. But right now, I was just doing the month by month, and this is my second or third month. I can't quite remember. So I went ahead and canceled this one. I got a lot of lip products right now, so I don't need this one anymore. Okay, but here is what it looks like. You get a little makeup bag, and this one's super cute. It's got some lips on it, of course. And it has a little card, and here's for March 2020, and it says, "Welcome to the March 2020 bag. Spring is near, can you believe it? So we're ensured that this month's bag is filled with lippies that will help you transition into the new season. Show us your bag for a chance to be featured on our Instagram at Lip Monthly." Okay, so here it's full of 4 little goodies. And here is the first product out, and the box is a little bit jacked up, but this is the first item out. And this is called Trifle Cosmetics, and it's jelly juice. This is what it looks like. It says a young glowy lip treatment made with a myriad of plant-based oils, vitamin E, and shea butter to create an irresistible bouncy texture for your lips. This high shine tinted formula gives lips a juicy wash of color and is infused with cranberry and raspberry extracts to help create a healthy look with a pout perfect finish. Okay, so that sounds interesting. I've never tried that. Has anyone else ever tried these? Super cute. And Steve Laurent, another Steve Laurent, and this one is called Orchid. And this is a lip oil. And this is why I'm canceling it, because I don't even know how many Steve Laurent lip products I have right now. I have quite many. Oh, this is nice. Look at that. That's perfect for spring. That is definitely going to be used. It has a slight pink color. I'm not going to put it on because I already have some on. But yeah, I don't know if that's going to pick up because it's so minor, but it's just basically just a lip gloss, lip oil with a slight pink tint. So that'll be nice in the summertime. Okay, and then we have a dupe lip. Is this a lip gloss? Yes, a lip gloss. And this is in the color Peach. And let's see what this one looks like. Okay. I have very similar colors to this already. It's a nice color. I will definitely use this. That's what it looks like. Let's see. Very light pink peachy color. So definitely good for the springtime. So both products are definitely going to be used. And then the last item out is this, and this is IBY Beauty. And this is the Velour Liquid Lips. And this is in the color Flirt. So let's see what this looks like. I'll open it and show it to you guys. But if you guys are interested in trying this out for yourself, It's been a fun service for me. I got so many lip products. I just need to take a little bit of a break right now. But this is it. Oh, what I was saying is I will leave a link down in the description box. But oh yeah, another nice color. Let's put it right under that one. This one is definitely a little darker than the other one. This is more like a lip color. Very natural. I like that color. Okay, so these are the 4 products that I received. I received these, plus a little lippy bag. Okay, like I said, if you guys are liking these videos, please click the like and subscribe button down below. And as always, stay safe out there, you guys. And until next time, bye-bye.